Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Adhyatmika English Pathshala. Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to English Pathshala. ఈరోజు ప్రశ్నలు మొదటి ప్రశ్న, వాట్ ఈజ్ భగవద్గీతాస్ పర్పస్? టు డెలివర్ మ్యాన్కైండ్ ఫ్రమ్ ignorance. This is the clear answer, but explanation I am giving. As every man is in difficulty in many ways, Arjuna was also in difficulty in having to fight the battle of Kurukshetra. Arjuna, forgetful of his prescribed duties as a Kshatriya, as a warrior, whose duty is to fight for a righteous cause in a holy war, decides for personally motivated reasons not to fight. At that time, Lord Krishna, who has agreed to act as the driver of Arjuna's chariot, sees his friend and devotee in illusion and perplexity. He then proceeds to enlighten Arjuna regarding his immediate social duty, that is Varnashrama Dharma as a warrior, and more important, his eternal duty or nature, Sanatana Dharma, as a spirit soul. So, to revive the eternal relationship of love between his soul and God, Krishna speaks for the benefit of all souls who have forgotten their eternal nature and their eternal relationship of love with him. To revive this relationship is the ultimate goal of our existence. This is the answer to the first question. Next, second one, what is soul? Mostly so many people know the answer to this, but I am giving a clear answer. Soul or Jivatma or living entity is an eternal part and parcel of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna. This is the clear answer. Third question, define tapasya. That means, what is tapasya? Answer to this, a human being is meant to be trained according to certain principles to revive his original knowledge. Such a methodical life is described as tapasya. This is the answer. Fourth question, how to gain steady mind and transcendental intelligence by which one can attain peace? Answer to this, unless one is in Krishna consciousness, there is no possibility of peace. So, in Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, it is confirmed that when one understands that Krishna is the only enjoyer of all the good results of sacrifice and penance, and that he is the proprietor of all universal manifestations, that he is the real friend of all living entities, then only one can have real peace. That means, therefore, if one is not in Krishna consciousness, there cannot be a final goal for the mind. Disturbance is due to want of an ultimate goal, and when one is certain that Krishna is the enjoyer, Krishna is the proprietor, and Krishna is the friend of everyone and everything, then one can, with a steady mind, bring about peace. Therefore, one who is engaged without a relationship with Krishna is certainly always in distress and is without peace. However much one may make a show of peace and spiritual advancement in life, Krishna consciousness is a self-manifested peaceful condition that can be achieved only in relationship with Krishna. This is the answer to this question. What is our spiritual destruction? This is the fifth question. Answer to this: if you blame devotees, that is our spiritual destruction. Don't judge devotees at any time, whatever be the situation may be, whatever difficulties may become. Don't judge devotees at any time, because Hari, Sri Krishna told so many times that Haristane aparade toma harinam tomastane aparade nahi paritran. If you blame Krishna, then there is Hare Krishna Nama Mantra. If you chant Hare Krishna Nama Mantra, then you will come out from that. If you judge devotees, there is no any remedy for that. That's why don't judge devotees. If you judge devotees, it is our spiritual destruction. This is the answer. Last question, sixth one. What are the weeds, the paddy, and the farmer working on the field compared to? This is in Bhagavad Gita. In Bhagavad Gita, answer to this question, in Bhagavad Gita, just as unnecessary weeds in the paddy field are taken out, so it is expected from the very beginning of the Gita that in the religious field of Kurukshetra, where the father of religion, Sri Krishna, himself was present, the unwanted weeds like Dhritarashtra's sons, Duryodhana and others would be wiped out, and the thoroughly religious persons headed by Yudhishthira or Dharmaraja would be established by the Lord. This is the answer to the last question. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.